little replacement barbecue cover I got for my Weber barbecue here. Previously I've always used the Weber brands. I mean, but the price point is crazy. So this one, for what you get in terms of quality and consistency, and in terms of what's here, far better value. It is made by a company called BlueStars. And a couple things that I like about it. One is it's exactly the measurement. So I measured my barbecue, and this is exactly what I got. Two handles on the side, so very easy to lift off in terms of one side or both sides. Comes off quite easy, as you would expect from a barbecue cover, or want from a barbecue cover, and then comes back on very easily as well. So on both sides of the barbecue. And again, like I was saying, really easy fit. Easy to balance out on the barbecue. And then if you are having some windstorms around or some things that are within, it does have two Velcro sides, so you can actually cinch up the barbecue so that this isn't going to blow around or blow off. So on one side, and then on the other side. So again, Blue Star barbecue cover, excellent quality, good craftsmanship in terms of doing a lot of the seams around the barbecue, and a superior price point than trying to go out and buy a Weber barbecue cover.